C3.AI was down 4% last week. It's down 2% in the last month and down 20% in the last 3 months. Year to date, 2025, it's down 60%. So right now, C3.AI is looking bearish, but might be approaching a key support level where we might see this trending AI stock reverse. So in this video, I'm going to conduct a price analysis for C3.AI, offer my thoughts and opinions on this stock and where it might be headed in 2026. Let's take a look. Now, if you find value in my analysis of C3.AI stock today or other stocks on my channel, you may also find value in my trading short course. I'm looking for 4 traders to take my course for free as a Christmas special offer. In return, I'm looking for feedback and testimonials on the product. So if you want to do a trading short course in January, let me know. Send me an email, david@davidblewett.com. Put in the subject line, I want access to your trading short course. All the details down below. Check it out. So C3.AI year to date is down 60% over 2025. So this stock has been trending down all year. A number of counter trends, but overall it is down. And it might be heading down to find support around about $10, corresponding to this trough here, and which is currently C3.AI's all-time low. So $10 is a level to watch out for. Now, another key level for this AI stock, we can see on screen on the weekly chart, is around about $45. You can see this is a very strong level for this stock. It found support during 2021 before falling away into the all-time low during December 2022. It came back up to find resistance during June 23, again at that $45 mark. Then again, more recently, about a year ago now, it found resistance here at $45. So you can see here we've got this sort of double top pattern forming on the weekly chart a few years apart, just confirming this is a strong key level for C3.AI. Twice it's tried to push through over a number of years, but it's been rejected, showing there's strong resistance here. And since it turned about 12 months ago and fell away, it has lost about 60% of its value. And right now, C3.AI is around about $14. And based on the trend, it does look as if the risk is towards the downside. It is trending down, and it might be heading down to find support at $10. So let's mark up the chart with that key level. The next level to watch out for C3.AI is around about this level here. It's about $16 or $17. And then just above that, you can see that C3.AI found a bit of support there at about $19 before it pushed back up to create this most recent peak. There's also a bit of support across the center here, about 23 as well. So let's mark up 23 as a possible indicator there. So we've got a few levels on the chart on the weekly, but overall we can see it is trending down. It has trended down, found support, and had a counter trend back up a few times. So from here, it's found support at 17, counter trend back up to the trend line towards $30. It was sold off again, big gap down on that week there into support at $14. And now most recent lows about $12.60. It's pushing back up in the last sort of 8 weeks. It's had a bit of a rally, but now it's fallen away in the last 3 weeks. It does look as if now, based on the trend, it's heading down towards $10. Having a look at C3.AI on the monthly chart, so the big picture. So I've got about 5 years worth of data. We can see the listing price there originally was $100 back in December 2020, so about 5 years ago now. Immediately it trended up during the IPO, but then it fell away almost immediately after 2 months of listing, and it started trending down. It trended down between January 2021 all the way down to the all-time low, January 2023. So very bearish following the listing. And then it did push up during January 2023, February 23, and March 23. Big reversal bar there during April before the buyers came back in May 2023, and it ended up around about this key level of $45. So that's a nice 6-month move there with C3.AI. Once it hit this level, it was bearish once again. It was sold off. It came back for a time over the next 6 months into $23, which looks as if there is support here around that level. It did fall through. It did fall through and find support a bit lower at about $18, $18, $19 before there was a bullish price action over this month here, September, and then October and November as well during 2024, about a year ago. Once again, it came into this key price level of $45, hit resistance, and now it has been trending down the last 12 months. So we got a red bar there, bearish into the support here, about $17. There was 2 months up, 3 or 4, hit resistance here, about $30, and then big reversal during August. So right now it is looking as if it's going to fall further and probably come in to $10 support. And at that point it might reverse. We know from the price action back here in December 2022, so 3 years ago, that was where previously the buyers saw value. It came back in and then price started to move up. So $10 is a level to watch out for and could offer a reversal for C3.AI. But right now it's bearish. You can see all the indicators are bearish. It's down on the week, on the month, 3 months, 6 months, year to date. It's down, it's bearish. So this stock is one to watch for a reversal potentially around that $10 mark. So if it does find support at $10 and offer a confirmation, what sort of profit is available for this AI stock? Well, we can see the last move here when it did find support and reverse during December 2022, Jan 23. From that low there up to the $45 resistance, there was a gain of around about 336%. So that's a massive move over 1, 2, 3, about 6 months. So it's important to watch this stock because those sort of returns, they've got the potential to happen again. We can see here at $10, the same sort of move back up is going to offer exactly the same return if it makes that move, which might unfold over 6 months. So what we want to see, first of all, over the next few months, if it comes back into $10 support, the first thing you want to see is a reversal, a big reversal at the $10 mark, potentially a big green bar just like this, maybe not as strong, but that first reversal bar to show that the buyers have come back in and price is going to reverse, the trend is changing. The second thing we want to see is a break of the confirmed downtrend. Now we're on the monthly chart, so obviously the trend on the monthly is stronger than the weekly is stronger than the daily, and so on. So if we get that monthly bar which is green, it reverses and breaks that trend line, that's a strong indicator that the trend is going to move back up and challenge 45. So depending on your rules, we can use this trend line as a marker. We can see right now it's trended down, found support there at 17, counter trend back up, challenge at $30, it's fallen away again into about 15, counter trend back up to around 20. It's now created this latest trough here at about $12.50. So right now we've got an inside bar forming for December. It's almost complete the month. So it does look as if there's a bit of indecision, but we have to expect this trend to keep going until the chart tells us otherwise. So I'm expecting more selling pressure during January, and potentially it's going to come down and test $10. It might come down to about here and counter trend back up to about 15, and eventually it's going to come back down to $10. So if it does that, and it could be over the next 3 months, that's your first indicator to watch for the breakout. Then we might see February and March, for example, it come back up to test the trend line. Or even if we get a massive breakout bar like this back in Jan 23, we might see that big break in February or March. Now, once you see that bar breaking the trend line, you can take an entry based on the reversal just on that. But if you're more conservative, you might want to wait to see what the price action does after that first big month. What have the sellers got? So we might see a big breakout in February, March, April, we might see a pullback, a red bar. Depending on how much the sellers have got, you may want to then wait for that next green bar to enter. We've got then that low down here, we've got that first higher low, confirming there is a new trend forming on the monthly chart. So that would be a lower risk entry. And even if you entered, around about $20, you're still going to have a tremendous amount of upside to trade this stock over perhaps 6 months. So I pull that up there. Let's say your entry is about $20, you've still got 132% on offer, which is still very, very healthy. Coming across to the weekly chart for C3.AI, you may wish to use this chart to, possibly enter this stock for a trade. So we know that we're looking for that $10 support. We want to see price action break up and challenge the trend line first. Might get rejected, come back, form that higher base and that first higher low before breaking the trend line. So with the monthly, possibly 1 month break and close above the trend line. With the weekly chart, a good rule is to wait for 2 weekly bars to break and close above that trend line to give you confirmation. Some people also wait for a pullback. So 2 weeks above the trend line, confirmation buyers are coming in, looking bullish, but then wait for that first pullback. So let's say it breaks for 2 weeks and it meets $19. Wait for that first red bar and see if that red bar, if the sellers, when they come in, how strong they are. If that red bar is only 50% of that initial move, that shows strength. In other words, the price has moved up 100%, for example, then it's pulled back half of that initial move, but no more than half. If it's like 70%, it's weak. There's too much selling, so you may want to wait. If it's 50% or less, that shows strength, that the move is going to keep going, and you can take an entry once price comes back up in the next few weeks and breaks that previous high. As you can see, once that price action unfolds, you've got confirmation that this is the bottom, if you like, or price has reversed. So you're watching, you're looking for the price action to come up as the buyers come back in, challenge the trend line, wait for that first pullback to show how strong the buying is. Let it break the trend line. Then see what the sellers have got after the trend line break. How strong are they? If the buyers are committed, they will outmuscle the sellers, and you'll see that second wave break that last high. And you'll see on screen, then we've got one low, a higher low, and a second higher low. And you can see the trend starting to form, giving you more confirmation that this move is sustainable and it's a low risk opportunity. Let me know what you think in the comments regarding C3.AI. This one has been trending, on YouTube because of the AI interest. It's bearish right now, but it could offer a great opportunity in 2026 if this trend can reverse back up to that $45 target with massive profits available if you're patient. Thanks for watching.